Hope you're doing well today. We got a new product from Wasserstein that we're going to be opening up today. This one was not provided by them. It was actually a gift I received this year. I'm going to go ahead and open up. This is a two charger dock for the Google Nest cameras. So that is the box. We have the user's manual. And then we have the base itself here, USB cable, and the charger. What's nice about these is you can charge two cameras at once with a single cord. So you don't have a bunch of wires running to manually charge your cameras. You can kind of just leave this dock set up and sit the camera like this. You can just set the camera directly on the dock like that. Also, what's nice about it is the Google Nest cameras, at least last time I ordered them, when you order the 2-pack, you only get one charging cable. So you're actually not able to charge both the cameras you get at the same time. Sometimes that's fine because as you put them out, you find that you maybe charge them at different intervals anyways. But it can be annoying when you're trying to charge everything at once. So you can either buy a separate charger or pick up something like this that you can just plug in like so. Comes with the charging adapter here, which is a 15-watt adapter. And let's grab my extension cord over here. And we'll go ahead and plug that in. If you're curious on comparison, here's the original cord that comes with the camera. These are, did these say the wattage on them? Well, that is really faint text. But there we go. So we have that plugged in. And then you set the camera on there, and that will connect up to charge it just like it would if you had it plugged in. So that is the Wasserstein charging station for the outdoor or indoor battery Google Nest cameras. You can pick one of those up on Amazon. I'll throw the link into the video description below if you want to check out pricing or more information on the product. And yeah, really speed up at the rate at which you can charge everything. Like I said, it's kind of magnetic here, so you just kind of drop it in and it picks right up and begins charging it. So thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I'll see you all in the next video.